Do you dream of speaking English fluently? Start with small daily conversations. Simple steps will make you confident. Hey, Emma. Nice day, huh?
Hi, James. Yes, it feels good.
You come here often?
Not really, just sometimes.
Same here. I like the park.
Me too, it's peaceful.
Sitting alone today?
Yes, what about you?
I came to relax, watch people.
Nice, I like watching people too.
Walking or sitting first?
Let's walk.
Sure, the path looks nice.
Look at the flowers there.
Beautiful. Colors are so bright.
I want to take a photo.
Go ahead. I will take mine too.
Do you come here in the morning?
Sometimes. Morning is busy though.
Evening is better.
True. Calm and quiet.
Do you jog here?
Yes, often.
I prefer walking.
Me too. Walking is relaxing.
Look at those kids playing soccer.
Haha. Reminds me of school.
Did you play much?
Yes, every day. I was not good.
Oh, but you are fit now.
Thanks. Running helps.
I should try running.
It's fun sometimes.
Birds are singing nicely.
Yes, makes the park lively.
Do you bring a book sometimes?
Sometimes, mostly notes.
I bring my notebook too.
We can write or draw here.
True, peaceful place.
Want to sit by the lake later?
Sure, water looks calm.
Perfect. We can chat more there.
Sounds good. Life feels simple here.
Walking and talking is nice.
Yes, very relaxing.
Shall we come more often?
Absolutely. I like this park.
Hey, Emma. Fancy seeing you here.
Hi, James. I needed coffee.
Me too. Long day?
A bit. Lots of work.
Coffee always helps.
True. Do you come here often?
Yes, almost every morning.
I like this place.
Yeah, atmosphere is nice.
What are you getting today?
Cappuccino. You?
Latte, extra foam.
Fancy.
You know me. I like trying new things.
Do you sit here alone usually?
Sometimes people watching is fun.
Me too. Very entertaining.
Do you read here?
Sometimes, mostly emails.
Work first, coffee second.
Exactly.
Do you like pastries?
Sometimes. Chocolate croissant is good.
I love chocolate croissants.
Shall we try one?
Yes, let's order.
Do you talk to baristas much?
Occasionally, they are friendly.
True. I like small chats too.
I bring my notebook sometimes.
Me too. Notes and ideas.
Helps stay organized.
Music while drinking coffee?
Not really. I like background sounds.
Makes sense. Very relaxing.
Do you meet friends here?
Sometimes. Chat and laugh.
That sounds fun.
Shall we sit by the window?
Good idea. I like looking outside.
Watching people pass by.
Yes, very relaxing.
Coffee and small talk? Perfect day.
Totally agree.
Hi, Emma. How are you?
Hi, James. I'm nervous.
Nervous? Why?
First day at college.
That's exciting.
Yeah, but scary too.
You'll like it. Don't worry.
I hope so.
Which class first?
English.
Easy one. Take notes.
I will.
Sitting alone?
Yes, everyone busy.
Say hi. Make friends.
Okay, a bit shy.
Normal. Everyone feels same.
True?
Teacher nice?
Seems nice, friendly.
Good. Ask questions if stuck.
I will.
Cafeteria later?
Maybe. Need food.
Haha. Me too.
I will try.
First week is hard, then easy.
Fingers crossed.
Sit with group?
Not yet. Too shy.
Try small talk. Simple words.
Okay.
You'll do fine.
Thanks, James.
Anytime. Let's enjoy college. Hey, Emma. Grocery day?
Hi, James. Yes, running out of things.
Same here. Milk and bread.
Essentials.
Do you make a list?
Always. You?
Sometimes. I forget things.
Haha, happens.
Fruits first?
Yes, apples and bananas.
I like oranges.
Let's get some.
Vegetables next?
Lettuce, tomato, carrots.
Healthy.
Do you cook much?
Sometimes. Easy recipes.
Me too. Pasta is simple.
Snacks?
Yes, chocolate maybe.
Haha. Can't resist.
Frozen food?
Only for emergencies.
Drinks?
Juice and water.
Don't forget coffee. Checkout line is long.
Haha. Yes. Coffee is life.
Do you use coupons?
Rarely.
Me too. Sometimes fun.
Shopping is tiring.
But fun too.
Do you come here every week?
Yes. Helps keep things fresh.
Shall we grab ice cream after?
Yes, good idea.
Grocery day can be fun.
Totally.
Hi, Emma. Studying today?
Hi, James. Yes, exams coming.
Same. Stressful?
A little.
Library helps calm.
Yes, quiet place.
Which books do you need?
English and history.
I need math and science.
Shall we sit together?
Sure. Table near window?
Perfect. Sunlight is nice.
Do you write notes?
Yes, helps remember.
Me too.
Do you like library snacks?
Haha, quiet.
True, I sneak chocolate sometimes.
Me too.
How long do you study?
2 hours usually.
I try same.
Take breaks?
Yes, coffee break.
Smart. Helps focus.
Do you read novels too?
Sometimes. Adventure stories.
I like fiction too.
Shall we quiz each other later?
Good idea, makes learning fun.
Library days are productive.
Yes, and relaxing too.
Hi, Emma. Ready for picnic?
Hi, James. Yes, excited.
Weather is perfect.
Sun, breeze, lovely.
Snacks ready?
Sandwiches and juice.
Great. I brought fruits.
Nice apples and grapes.
Do you like games?
Yes, frisbee first.
Sure.
Careful.
Haha, don't worry.
Shall we sit later?
Near the lake?
Yes, calm place.
Music?
Small speaker, light songs.
Perfect.
Did you bring a blanket?
Yes, big one.
Great, let's eat after game.
Sandwich first?
Yes, I'm hungry.
Juice?
Sure,
Picnic is fun.
totally. Fresh air and friends.
Should we plan another weekend?
Yes, maybe park next time.
Deal.
Life is simple and happy here.
Exactly. Just nature and fun. Hi, Emma. Where are you going?
Hey, James, I'm going to the library.
Oh, I love the library.
Me too, it's so quiet.
What book do you need?
An English grammar book.
Good choice. Want help?
Yes, please.
Look, here's the language section.
Wow, so many books.
Do you like big books?
No, I like small ones.
Here's one. Basic English practice.
Looks easy, perfect for me.
Do you also read stories?
Yes, short stories are fun.
I read history sometimes,
History is interesting.
but sometimes a little boring.
Haha, true.
Do you study here often?
Yes, twice a week.
Alone or with friends?
Mostly alone.
I like the library smell.
Books smell good, right?
Yes, like old paper.
Ha ha ha, I agree.
Let's sit at that table.
Good idea. Quiet corner,
Do you take notes?
always. Writing helps me learn.
I sometimes fall asleep here,
Ha ha ha, me too. Very peaceful.
but studying is important.
Yes, focus is key.
Okay, let's read now.
Sure, no more talking.
Deal. Study time?
Study time. Hi, James, waiting for the bus.
Yes, Emma? The bus is late?
Always late, isn't it?
Haha, yes, always.
Where are you going today?
To downtown. And you?
I'm going to my class. Yes, it's cheap and easy.
I sometimes ride my bike. Look, here comes a bus.
No, that's the wrong number.
Oh, you're right. Not ours.
We still have to wait.
Do you listen to music here?
Yes, while waiting, you,
I read news on my phone.
good way to pass time.
Do you like crowded buses?
No, I hate them.
Same here. No seats, no space.
Yes, very uncomfortable.
Do you talk to strangers?
Not really. I'm shy.
I sometimes say hello.
That's friendly.
Oh, look. Our bus is coming.
Finally, took so long.
Let's get ready.
Do you have a ticket?
Yes, I bought one.
Good, I need to buy mine.
Okay, let's get on.
Yes, let's go.